Welcome to General Laboratory Practices User Training. The objective of this course is to introduce you to commonly used lab practices, tools, and techniques that you may be using on a daily basis. I do have a few disclaimers for you before we continue. The training that is provided in this course are guidelines and best practices. Ultimately, the lab is responsible for safety, waste disposal, instrument maintenance and upkeep, and other associated protocols. Additionally, this course does not substitute for instrument-specific training. Finally, this course does not promote any vendor, brand, or supplier. All and any equipment that is used in this course is for demonstration purposes only. Now let's discuss the training plan. This course starts with Section 1, Lab Safety, understanding what could potentially hurt you and, well, how not to hurt yourself. It moves on to Lab Measurements in Section 2, where we discuss common units and measurements that you may encounter on a day-to-day basis. We then transition to Section 3, Common Lab Hardware, where we introduce devices used to weigh and otherwise measure your reagents and solutes. In Section 4, we move on to common analytical instruments that you may encounter on a day-to-day basis in the lab. In Section 5, we discuss solution preparation, or as I like calling it, weighing, pipetting, and dispensing. Section 6 gives you an overview of common calibration parameters, what a calibration is, and what the limitations can be. Finally, in Section 7, we discuss waste disposal and management. With that, I encourage you to move on to Section 1, Lab Safety.